Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. It is 2022 rather than 2020 part 2. So I hope you've had a great festive period, great new year, and I'm here to do a bit of plugging and show what I've been working on. So I had a fantastic idea to keep going with these new mural paintings. I'd say it's a conscious idea, but that would be an absolute lie. So, yeah, we're still on this little crazy train. This one, as you can see from the start, is number 9. And it's tentatively called Balance. Reason will be apparent in a little bit. But, yeah, we're still going with this. We still don't really know what we're doing. At the time of recording, I've also produced number 4, and number 5 is probably going to come out in the next couple of weeks as well. So yeah, we're still going on this. Something will happen. This image is based on some stock images from a fantastic place I found on ArtStation called Graphit, Studio Graphit. I'm getting a lot of my stock images from there because, I can't afford to go out and photograph my own models anymore, and B, who really wants to mix with people at COVID time? I know everybody says get back to normal, but normal's scary and it's full of people, and I'm not a big fan. Now, a bit of self-praise on this one. I do believe this is probably some of the nicest skin I've ever rendered. Possibly since Starfall. Way back when. I'm super happy with how this one came out. And as I was creating this piece, I had this weird idea to put it out as a t-shirt. Now, I used to have a merch store way back when. It did okay. It's not anything special, but yeah, I loved this image and the concept of it so much that I felt I had to put it out there. And as a result of this piece, I've put together a merch store. Now, it's fledgling at the moment. It's slowly coming together. There's not a lot of designs on there because it's pretty tricky running a full-time job and Angel Illustrations and having a toddler and being a father. It takes up a lot of your time, and there's not much I can do about it. I've got to squeeze in these hours when I can. And yeah, I've ordered some bits from this merch store. My friends have ordered some bits. I'm going to add some photos of those towards the end. And yeah, I think the print quality is superb. It's a third party hosted, so I don't have to worry about packaging and shipping and doing everything from my own home. All cash handling is done by third party. It works really well, and I am super proud of the results, and I hope you will too. So yeah, in terms of this piece, again, there's not much I can say. It's marker base, coloured pencils on top of that, and we've thrown together some gouache. And you can see here that it's my Artex, as I like to call them, because you can't say it any other way. Jelly gouache. I use those to enhance some of the areas of the painting, drawing. What do you call these things? Pop a reply into the comments, because I can't figure it out. Anyway, that's the piece done. If you're interested in owning this piece on some merchandise, we got t-shirts, hoodies, bags, stickers. I love the stickers. Then feel free to head over to my website, and that is angelillustrations.co.uk. Careful how you type it. There's a lot of straight lines. So once you get into Angel Illustrations, head to the store. Accept those. You know the deal. And my designs are there. The quality is fantastic. The material, the goods, the t-shirts, and everything is fantastic. I love the stickers. I've ordered so many stickers. Yeah. What more can I say? You know, if you like what I do and you want to support the channel, get a little bit of money in to help me pay for my art supplies, then please place an order. Orders all shipped from Germany, so it's all coming from Europe. It's all great. That's the hoodie as modeled by my friend Mark. It looks superb. Multiple colours of hoodie available. And that's the sticker on my own sketchbook. I think it looks fantastic. But in the meantime, I'll stop plugging. I'll stop advertising. You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Take it easy.